Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my question is, if someone wears socks after making wudu and his socks are transparent, meaning that the skin can be seen, is it valid for him to take the concession to wipe over it?
A great amount of scholars say that this is not permissible. However, the most authentic opinion is that the concession of wiping over the socks or over the khuf is still applicable, whether it is thin, whether it is transparent, as long as it fits by itself on the foot and covers the whole foot up to the ankles or above, then you have the concession to wipe over it, because this is part of the ease of the Sharia. There is nothing indicating that it has to be made of leather, as the companions themselves used to not always wear things, footwear that is, that was made of leather. Sometimes they would wrap a tasakhin over it, or different types of footwear, and still wipe over it. And some of it would be having holes in it that may show some parts of the skin, and still they would wipe over it. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
So Sheikh, like sometimes when we are laying down, so like sometimes Madhi is emitted. So like there is a chance that Madhi would spread on thighs too. But when we go to washroom, so of course it's not 100% certain. So what should we do? Like only wash the private part and the testicles, or should we also wash the thighs and the area around it? Barakallahu feekum.
You only wash the areas affected, that you see were affected, and you wash your private part and the testicles. No need to go to the thighs and to the calf and to your ankles and to your toes, because you have no reason to think that it spread that far. It's not coronavirus.